Hello everybody, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Solana on your Phantom wallet. So here in the Phantom wallet, you cannot actually buy your Solana in the app itself, but basically I'll show you how to actually buy Solana and get it on your Phantom wallet. So here, I go to my exchange. So this is a personal preference. You can use any exchange that you want. So you can go to your wallets right here and then go to P2P or just buy right here. So P2P. As you can see, you can actually buy your USDT first. So here, USDT, all you have to do is buy from your preferred seller right here using your preferred payment method. From there, it will be transferred into your spot or funding. So for example, we have this in funding. Now you have USDT. So from here in USDT, you want to convert that into actually your own actual Solana right here. So USDT and then just select Solana. So let's just look for it right here, Solana. But there's going to be a maximum amount, of course, as you can see. So we're going to trade that right here. So it's going to take no fees out of you. So as you can see, now I have Solana in my own wallet. So when we refresh, we don't have USDT, but we have Solana. So from here, this Solana can be freezed and you will just send this or deposit this into your account in your own Phantom wallet. So all you have to do is press withdraw right here, the Solana, send via crypto network, and then we'll have to select our Phantom wallet right here by receiving. So here you can scan my QR if you want to place Solana in my account. I would be glad if you would do that. So all you have to do is copy this actually. So go to back to your Binance and then it's not loading as usual. So send via crypto network again. Let's just wait for it to load up right here. But basically we just paste that address right there and send it to our Phantom wallet, and then you will have it in your Phantom wallet as you can see. And it's just that simple. So that's how I do it. That's how others do it. You can't directly buy from the Phantom wallet itself. This is the only way I know you can do it. Besides this, just use your own actual exchange for this. So there you go guys, that is how you buy Solana on Phantom wallet. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.